Hi, I'm Jesse with Metroline Direct. Today I want to show you how to use multiple languages with IP Office using Preferred Edition, also known as Voicemail Pro. The first step is to install the languages you want. Browse to the Voicemail Pro installation file that you downloaded, and I have that here. You can right click on it and click on Extract All. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Extract it to a folder that you have on your hard drive. I've extracted mine already to this folder here, Voicemail Pro. This is version 9.1.6. Scroll down to the setup.exe file. If you're not seeing .exe, it's going to be the one that says Application over here on the right. Or just remember the icon looks like this. It's the one that doesn't have the gear on it. I won't go through the entire installation process, but when you get to this screen, you want to choose Voicemail Pro Full. This will install the voicemail server on your computer. On this screen, you'll want to choose Custom, so you can install the languages that you want. As you can see, English and English US are already checked. You can scroll down and check the languages that you want. In my example, we'll be using Spanish. So I'm going to check both Spanish boxes here, the Mexican and Latin. And if your language is Spanish, you can check both also, and you can decide which dialect sounds the best for you. By the way, if you've already installed Voicemail Pro, you can run the setup again and you'll see a screen like this. Just choose Modify and you can install the languages you want. For this video, I've made a simple auto attendant as an example. Right now it is recorded in just English. When dealing with multiple languages, you can send the call to a totally separate auto attendant for the other language. Or you can use the same auto attendant and only change the language. In this example, I will show how to change the language while using the same auto attendant. First, we will add in a module to set the language. In this case, I'll be using Spanish. So the first step is to click Actions, Configuration Actions, and then select System Prompt Language. And then click on the white space where you would like it placed. So we'll click the connector icon at the top, click and drag from the 1 to the option that you want to connect it to. Now we'll set the language that this will select. Right click and click on Properties. Then click on the Specific tab. And as you can see, English is already installed. And if we scroll down to the Spanish section, we see Spanish and Spanish Columbia is installed. So in this case, I'll be using Spanish. And click OK. Then I can drag the next option back to this main menu. Now when someone presses 1, it goes to this option that sets the language to Spanish and sends it back to the main menu to replay the greeting in Spanish. But before it can play the auto attendant greeting that we've selected, we need to do a little bit more programming. So I'm going to right click on my menu and click on Properties. Then click on the Entry Prompt tab. And as you can see, it shows the auto attendant greeting that I have recorded. I'll double click on that, and it shows the name of the auto attendant greeting, and below that it shows the directory where it is stored. This is the default directory. So what I'm going to do is click on the beginning of this line and add $LOC / custom / and I left the name of my auto attendant that I wanted, which in this case is auto attendant. So again, the greeting has to be recorded and placed in the custom folder of each language. Remember, this also allows the system prompts to be played in the language that is chosen. And the $LOC is basically a variable that is replaced with the language that the user selected. So I'll click on Close and then click on OK. And I'm going to browse to that folder where the voicemail files are stored. And as you can see, this is the directory, the default directory where the files are stored. It's C drive, program files, x86, Avaya, IP Office, Voicemail Pro, VM, and then the Waves folder. So what I have here is the ENU, that's the English United States folder. Inside that are all the WAV files that get used by the voicemail. So what I'm going to do now is right click in this folder and click on New, Folder, name the folder Custom, and click on the Waves folder. Then I'm going to go to the Spanish folder, right click, click on New, Folder, name this folder Custom. Don't forget to click the Save and Make Live button located here in order to save the changes on your system. As you can see, we're running long on time here, so I won't go into great detail on recording the greetings, but you can make a recording module like I have in the bottom left corner, and you can point a shortcode to it in the Manager program. Then the user can dial that shortcode to record the auto-attendant greetings for each language. Well, that's our video for today. I hope you found the video useful. If so, please let us know by clicking the like button below. And if you would like to be notified of future videos when they are released, click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.